Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily send multiple photos on WhatsApp using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp web on your PC and select the chat or contact you want to send photos to. Step 2. Look for the paperclip or attachment icon in the chat window, usually located at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Click on the icon and select Gallery or Photos from the options that appear. Step 4. Now, it's time to choose the multiple photos you want to send. Hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on the photos. Step 5. Once you've selected all the photos, click on the Send button, usually represented by a paper airplane icon, to send the photos to the selected chat or contact. And there you have it. You've successfully sent multiple photos on WhatsApp using your PC. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you next time.